Hello friends, about 4,500 years ago, a wonder of the world was built in Egypt. One that continues to amaze people even today. The Great Pyramid of Giza. With a height of 147 meters. This remained the tallest structure in the world for over 4,000 years. Heavy stones were used to build the pyramids, and it is said to weigh 6 million tons, compared to the present-day tallest structure, the Burj Khalifa, which weighs a mere 500,000 tons. The question that left people dumbstruck: was it built? Back then people didn't have cranes, bulldozers, or, if you take the same thing to the next level, exaggerate it a bit, and you'll have bizarre theories. Some people claim that the pyramids were built by aliens, because they believe it wasn't possible for humans to create this. In my opinion, such theories go against the principle of scientific thinking. This is the shortcut method of somehow coming up with an answer when we cannot find any. It is better to acknowledge the facts that we know and then clearly lay out what we do not know, so that the next generation of archaeologists, historians, can carry out research on them and discover the complete solution or explanation about the mysteries. If you like the video, click here to watch more mystery-related videos, such as on Titanic and the Bermuda Triangle. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you very much.